Imagine a place that feels like a sanctuary, a haven of tranquility where every moment spent brings joy and contentment. This is the vision of the ideal house I dream of having. Firstly, I envision my dream house nestled amidst nature, surrounded by lush greenery, perhaps with a picturesque view of a serene lake or a majestic mountain range. It would be located in a peaceful neighborhood, away from the hustle and bustle of the city, offering a serene escape from the stresses of modern life. The appearance of my ideal house would blend elegance with simplicity. It would boast a modern architectural design, featuring large windows that allow an abundance of natural light to flood every corner, creating an inviting and warm ambiance. The exterior would be adorned with natural materials, like stone and wood, exuding a harmonious connection with the environment. Now, let's talk about those special features that would make this house truly exceptional. To begin with, it would be a smart home, equipped with the latest technology that makes daily life more efficient and convenient. Climate control, security systems, and energy-saving measures would all be integrated seamlessly. Inside, a spacious and open floor plan would encourage a sense of togetherness among family and friends. A modern kitchen would be the heart of the home, fostering culinary creativity and shared meals. And for relaxation, there would be a cozy reading nook and a home theater for movie nights. Venturing outside, the garden would be a magical oasis, replete with colorful flowers, a tranquil pond, and a space for yoga or meditation. A covered patio with comfortable seating would invite guests to enjoy the fresh air and natural beauty throughout the year. Why is this my ideal house? Because it represents the perfect balance between modern living and a connection to nature. It offers a retreat where I can unwind and recharge, surrounded by loved ones and the serenity of the outdoors. This house is not just a physical structure. It is a place of cherished memories, where laughter echoes in the halls and love permeates every room. In conclusion, my dream house embodies the essence of home: comfort, peace, and harmony. It would be a place where life's simple pleasures are savored, where dreams are nurtured, and where the soul finds solace. For me, this house is the realization of a lifelong aspiration, a place to call home in the truest and most heartfelt sense of the word. Thank you.